Hey everyone, today we are fixing the annoying your account may be limited soon warning on your WhatsApp. So if you've ever seen this message which may be available like this on your account, in this video we are going to fix that issue. So it usually happens when WhatsApp detects unusual activity on your account. So let's fix it quickly and easily. So first of all, what we can do is we can go ahead and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Go over and look out for the Play Store application on your device and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can go ahead and search for the WhatsApp application here and look out for the update if there is any kind of update available. So go ahead and tap on update and update WhatsApp to the latest version. So that kind of warning usually appears if WhatsApp detects too many messages sending in a short time, adding unknown contacts repeatedly, being reported by others. So what we can do is we can verify our phone number. Open up WhatsApp for that. And then once you open up your WhatsApp, go to the three dot in the top right and tap on it. And from here, go over to the settings from the menu. And once you open up your settings, you can go to the account option and tap on it. And from there, you can just go over and verify your number. So you can go ahead and verify your number from here. If not there, go to privacy section and verify it. And you may follow up the on-screen instructions if your phone number is not verified yet. Also, what you can do is you can contact WhatsApp support. So within settings itself, you can scroll down and go to the WhatsApp support. So you can look out for Meta. So it is under Meta. So you can look out for the WhatsApp support available here. If not, you can go to browser and search for WhatsApp support. And that way you can just go over and follow up the steps and fix the account may be limited soon on WhatsApp and prevent the future warnings as well. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that if you want to fix it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.